Let's see if we can get this, I assume it's a Bachmann locomotive going here. It's got the very inexpensive model plastic gears here. So let's see if he runs. Let's see if we got something of something. We're gonna put this Bachmann on the track, and of course we'll zoom in if he works. All right, James can chill out over here. So all right, here's this little Bachmann. We'll go ahead and put him on the track, and we'll see what happens. All right, y'all ready for this? Maybe we'll zoom in. All right, here we go. Let's see. Excuse the weird camera. Gonna work here. All right, so I think that's him. Yep, that's him behind the bus right there. All right, let's see if he goes. See what happens here. All right, let's go. Let's try it. Oh, once again, that's the wrong train. All right. Well, you know, I'm not seeing much movement here. So, all right. Yeah, I don't know. This little guy may not be any good. All right. Yes. It would appear that. Oh, look, he's lit up. All right. Well, he's lit up, but he's not doing anything. All right. Can you see that he's lit up? I don't know. Let's maybe try changing the polarity. I don't know. Not sure what to do actually. All right. Let's see. Here's the back and forth switch. No, it doesn't seem to do anything either. All right, well, you know, this guy lights up, and that's about it.